Greetings friends, I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. It has happened. Our latest shipment of Astra Superior Platinum green blades arrived, and they are no longer made in St. Petersburg, Russia. They are now made in India. Here's a look at the two packages. I'll get them turned the same way for you so it's easier to see. On this side, everything is the same. Procter & Gamble, a couple little pictures. On the back side, this one with the very small writing, that's the one made in St. Petersburg, Russia. The one with the less amount of writing and larger writing that you can actually read is made in India. Also, let's see, on the package for the Russian-made one, it says, I got to put some light on this, it's really hard to read. Got my trusty Milwaukee light here. It says, do not wipe blades, keep away from children. And on the one made in India, now it says, keep out of reach of children, do not wipe blades. The same thing in the reverse. And the serial numbers on the back, the UPC numbers, exactly the same. 7 is a large number on the left, and then 702018007240. Same on both sides. Exactly the same on both types, India and Russia. Both are Procter & Gamble. I have not opened them. I want to see what the blades look like. You can experience this with me firsthand. Let's open them up. We'll get one of each out. So this is the made in India, right there. I'm going to put that on the right side. And here is the original made in Russia. I'll put that on the left side. So it looks like the wrapping paper is exactly the same. Astra, same thing. Let's start with the Russian, the St. Petersburg. I'll open it up. Lots of glue on there. All sides are glued down. So we have Astra Superior Platinum on one side, Astra Superior Platinum on the other side. And this one has the numbers on the blades. 3 and 4 on one diagonally, 3 and 4, and then 1 and 2. You can see 1 and 2, 1 up there, 2 down here, and 3 up here, and 4 down there. No one really knows why the numbers are on the blades. I think it's for quality control, so that they can, speak to each other and say close to the 4 or on the 3 side, or close to the 1 on the 2 side, something like that, just so they can narrow any issues down with the blade and speak about it easily, communicate where it is located on the blade easily. Some people will keep track of the numbers for blade flipping. So if you're a blade flipper, which I am not, I feel like when you're shaving, you're flipping the razor around anyways. So it doesn't seem to me like flipping the blade from one side to the other in the razor is going to make a difference. But some people believe it does. So hey, whatever works for you. Different strokes, right? You could use the 1 and 2 for one shave, and then you can flip it over and use the 3 and 4 for the next shave. Let's see, that's the Russian blade. Let's open up the Indian blade, see if there's any difference here. I wish there was a difference so we could tell, between them, but I see no difference. Oh, I see a difference. Is that a difference? Yes. There is a difference. Okay, here we go. You can see that it says Astra Superior Platinum, but the numbers are gone. You can see some glue marks on there as well. See those glue marks? But what is this? This is a T and looks like a Z or a 2. I'm going to have to really get a close-up picture to get a better image of that for you, but maybe we can get it this way. So the difference is this has a T in the corner right here. See that? With no numbers. And then the other side, where is it? Don't want to cover it with my finger. It has what appears to be a Z or a 2 right there. And that's it. That's how you can tell the difference inspecting the blade itself right away. The Russian blades have the 1, 2 on one side, digits 1, 2, and then 3, 4 on the other side. You can see that. And then the Indian blade, it has a T on one side, right there. And then on the other side, what appears to me to be a Z or a 2. Very difficult to make out, but you can take your best guess at it. So there you go. I will perform a shave pitting these two against each other in an upcoming video. I'll load up dual 34Cs right here with each of these blades, and I'll mark them R and I, Russian and Indian, and I'll put them in a box, shake them up, and then I'll do a shave, see if I can tell a difference. So we'll see if I can notice any difference in performance right away while shaving with the Indian versus the Russian blade. Also, durability, it will take a few shaves to figure out whether the Indian blade lives up to the previous Russian-made blade as far as longevity. If you can get 4, 5, 6 shaves out of it, we'll see. So that'll be a fun video coming up, pitting the Russian against the Indian blade. So make sure you subscribe, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss that video when it comes out. That being said, if you want to pick up some of these new Indian blades and try them out for yourselves, it's the only ones we have now. Click below the video where it says more or show more, and there will be a link there. Just click on that, you'll be able to pick up the blades. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead right now, click that subscribe button, subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel and I greatly appreciate it. Over 600 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.